Hi everybody, thanks for tuning in. I'm going to give a quick review and demo of this electric spin scrubber that I received. This is absolutely perfect for helping you clean the bathrooms. How many times have you been on your hands and knees with a bucket or a mop or just your basic tools where it's back-breaking work? Well, that ends with this item right here. So I'm going to show you how to assemble this. I just unboxed it. You can see that it comes with 4 different brush heads depending on what kind of cleaning job you are doing. Obviously, this is going to be good for those flat surfaces on the floor. This would be good for the toilet or some of those harder to reach areas, like maybe the shower head, or if you have one of those showers that has a raised bottom portion near the tile and you have to get those little cracks and crevices, that's perfect for it. We have this brush head right here, which comes to a point. And then we have this one right here. So, and in just a bit, I'm going to give a demo to show you how this works in one of those areas that's difficult to reach. So let's first assemble this. I am excited to put this together. So what you do is you take this portion right here, and by the way, when you take out this plastic at the top, you'll see a charging port that connects to this charger, which is just gonna go into your outlet. So once you have that charged up, you're just gonna put that back in, grab this section here, and you'll see it clasp really easily. Locks into place. We're gonna get to this part in a minute because I'm gonna show you how this extends, but let's also connect this part. Same deal as before, just like that. So now we have the basic apparatus ready to go. And I think for the purposes of this demo, I'm going to use this brush head right here, which I'm just going to position on the top like that. And now we're pretty much good to go. So I'm gonna show you how this extends. You see this black part right here, you just push that down and pull. And you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different notches that you can select from. It just automatically locks in place depending on what kind of area you're cleaning. So I'm gonna use the highest extension here. This button right here releases the 45-degree angle adjustable end of the scrubber. So that's really neat that this can adjust like that, because that's gonna be a huge help. So I'm gonna have it adjusted just like that. And once you turn this on, this has 2 different speeds. One is 300 RPM, the other is 350 RPM. So 350 would be good if you're doing some deep cleaning that needs some hardcore scrubbing. The other mode for 300 RPM is good for just daily cleaning. So let's just turn it on. Okay, so what you're hearing right now is 300 RPM. And again, I can extend that outward like that. And now by doing a long hold for about 3 to 5 seconds, we're gonna change it to 350 RPM. Okay, and you're gonna hear it right here. Okay, so now it just kicked into high gear, and it's going at 350 RPM for the deep cleans. Okay, so I'm gonna turn that back off. If you need to change out the brush heads, you just pull that out and put in your other brush head, just like you did before with the other one, and you're ready to go. It's so simple to use, and it's gonna be a huge help for when you're doing what is normally, like I mentioned, that back-breaking work in the bathroom. So what we're going to do is we're gonna take this into the bathroom, into a hard to reach area. But before I go in there, I just wanted to show you this as well. This will come with it. If you need to hang it up, you just position that on there like that, so you can hang it on the wall. Let's get to the demo. Okay, we're ready to do some cleaning in some difficult to reach areas. You can see I'm just going along the wall here, just like that. And it maneuvers very easy. And let's say I had to clean under the sink, another typically difficult to reach area. Look at that. Normally I'd have to be on my hands and knees to get underneath there. And that's just one of the functions of this. I mean, you can use it to pretty much clean anything in the bathroom and otherwise with those 4 brush heads. I could even do the base floor right here once I add some cleaning solution. But this performs very well. I love that this adjusts at the top and definitely is going to make life easier. Thanks for watching.